Hello, welcome at the Royal Kaak Technology Center. I am Johan Laros, President of Royal Kaak North America, part of Royal Kaak Group. We're here today to talk about our plans for this year's IBIE, the most important baking industry show in North America. Royal Kaak's history began in 1846 as a local coppersmith in Terborg, the Netherlands. It produced baking molds for the local bakers. Over time, Kaak has developed to what it is today, a state-of-the-art solutions provider serving a worldwide customer base with its cutting-edge solutions. We want to power every step of your bakery's success. With our capability scope from silo to truck, we serve our customer base with our mission, You Bake, We Care. Through our vision, Food Without Footprint, we imagine a world where every meal nourishes people without depleting the planet. At the heart of our vision, Food Without Footprint, is a bold commitment. Through innovation in sustainable food production systems for dough products, we help to restore ecosystems and to protect the climate. Food Without Footprint is not just a vision, it's a movement toward a future where sustainability is the standard, not the exception. At our Royal Kaak booth, we are excited to showcase our value-add solutions. We will pay special attention to our latest innovations. Our new drum divider rounder, a high-capacity machine with a weight mechanism that doesn't use moving parts. The unique and groundbreaking dough release system features high-tech 3D printed, air-permeable chambers which ensure gentle dough handling, and at the same time, it avoids the use of oil in the chamber. Other unique features include high weight accuracy, hygienic design, and easy low-cost maintenance. Another value-add solution which we will showcase is IBIE, Kaak's proprietary software in particular designed for integrated production lines. IBIE is an operational data collection and analysis tool to support continuous improvement in production line efficiency with a smooth interface with customer ERP and business intelligence systems. IBIE is designed to support operators, operations management, and general management in their decision-making processes. We look forward to seeing you at our booth 7013 in the North Hall to meet with our technical sales and R&D team to discuss how our solutions can help you with your bakery challenges ahead. If you would like to make an appointment, please email us at marketing@kaak.com or give us a call and we'll set up an appointment. See you at IBIE.